Information regarding service and emotional support animals can be found on the Disability Support Resources website, www.gvsu.edu/DSR. In the left side navigation links, select Registering for Disability Support Resources. Scroll to near the bottom of the page. Special note regarding documentation for service and emotional support animals. Disability support resources may require documentation regarding your service or emotional support animal to ensure that it falls under the protections of federal and state laws. Most individuals who have the benefit of using a service animal will not be required to submit documentation unless the student or employee is going to live in university housing. Emotional support animals are considered part of a therapeutic intervention. Therefore, documentation should include a diagnosis of the disability and its nexus to the intervention. Please see the Guidelines for Emotional Support Animals. This is a clickable link, and the guidelines are listed. Guidelines for Emotional Support and Therapy Animals. Grand Valley State University provides reasonable accommodations for emotional support and therapy animals in university housing. Emotional support therapy animal is an animal whose sole function is to provide emotional support, comfort, therapy, companionship, therapeutic benefits, or to promote emotional well-being. A person qualifies for reasonable accommodation if healthcare professionals have recognized and documented the therapeutic effect of animal companionship. Sometimes when an individual has a documented disability, a professional may recommend a therapy animal as an essential part of treatment. It is important to note that therapy animals are not service animals. They do not directly assist humans. There is no legal requirement that allows individuals to have animals accompany them in public. Therapy animals are prescribed to an individual with a disability by a healthcare or mental health professional. Therapy animals are an integral part of a person's treatment process to assist in alleviating the symptoms of an individual's disability. Most healthcare professionals do not approve written prescriptions for pets to anyone. You must be in an ongoing therapeutic relationship. The absence of therapy is considered a request for a pet. Pets are not allowed according to university policy. Students are only eligible for an exception to the no pet policy if the animal is used as a tool for therapy. There must be evidence of an ongoing therapeutic relationship. Requests to have an emotional support or therapy animal in campus housing are considered requests for accommodation and will be reviewed on an individual basis. Individuals making requests must establish that they experience a documented disability and must also establish that the animal is indeed providing essential therapeutic benefit related to the documented disability. GVSU reserves the right to request additional clarification or documentation to facilitate the requested accommodation. GVSU is committed to providing reasonable accommodations to housing residents with a documented disability.